Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Samples of free liver detox recipes. There are many ways to perform a detoxification diet. Some will tell you to skip solid meals and just take in juices, while others stress the importance of feeding the body with abundant nutrients while avoiding all foods and beverages that contain harmful substances. If you choose to go with the latter type of detox dieting, you will find many free liver detox recipes that you can try as you undergo a detox plan. Depending on how rigid your detox diet is, you can add or substitute allowable ingredients in the detox recipes you will find to suit your program. The purpose of free liver detox recipes is to provide your body with a range of nutrients that will support the liver's detoxification functions. Here are some free liver detox recipes to get your detox diet started. Steamed broccoli soup. Serves 4. Steam 12 decent-sized broccoli heads lightly for 6 minutes and then put in a blender with 1 avocado, 1/2 red onion, 2 celery sticks, 2 handfuls of spinach and 2 1-inch root ginger. You can also add cumin to this mixture. Season the soup with pepper, garlic and salt and serve immediately. Because this recipe is very easy to prepare, the heat from the steamed broccoli will keep the soup warm. This is one of the free liver detox recipes that you can serve during winter or any cold weather. It will not only warm you but will give your soup a real zest. Here is one of the simplest free liver detox recipes that you can use if you want to make a detox juice. Juice 6 carrots, 250 grams of fresh spinach, 2 handfuls of flat leaf parsley and 4 celery sticks in that order. Drink as is or mix with water. This recipe is good for 4 people. When you think of free liver detox recipes, you do not really expect to see a recipe for a cake, but here is one for a carrot cake that is great for liver cleansing. You will need a cup of self-raising flour, 3/4 cups each of baking powder, sugar, and chopped walnuts, 1 grated apple, 2 cups of grated carrot, 2 eggs, 5 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of mixed spices, and a pinch of salt. Simply mix all of the ingredients and pour the mixture into a lined 20 cm tin. Bake for 40 minutes at 175 C. There are plenty of other nutritious and delicious free liver detox recipes from health websites. Just take the time to do your research and of course to make these recipes so you can actually enjoy your detox diet. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.